Okay, well today my top of my GoPro Hero 3 Plus clip broke off and just wanted to show you how to replace it. I actually just ordered a new one off of eBay. Nice and easy. This should be fairly simple. Just gotta pull the little part over. Show you this way here. Pull it over like so and slide it out. And then the new one, just make sure that the clip is oriented the correct direction. And then we'll pull it on over, push it on through, and there we go. Now it's all set. I'll be back to normal. What was happening, the camera was